Hi, I'm Suresh Macho from Macho Tattoos. So today episode 16, and today we are going to talk about why laser tattoo removal is not effective for everybody. Yesterday we have talked about how treatment removal works, and today we are going to mainly explain about what and all the advantages and disadvantages of laser removal. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and comment your doubts in the below session, and we'll be discussing our next video. So let's get into the topic. When see about the laser treatment, many of them having a doubt, where can I get a laser treatment done, and what and all the laser treatments are available, and how much it cost, and how much will it be painful, all those things. Let's cover all the topics here. So first, my suggestion is tattoo studios also do the tattoo removals, and you need to choose the best professional tattoo studios for that, or else you can go ahead on the skin clinics. This both helps well. And the tattoo studios, they will be most into professionally do only tattoo removal, so better you can go ahead with the tattoo studios which have a best quality of the laser removal machines. Now, what type of the laser removals are available? There is a lot of laser types are there which is cost by around 2002, and it's in the crores also. So my best suggestion to choose the laser removal which is the most upgraded as of till the date is Q switched lasers. There are three types of Q switched lasers are available, that is Q switched ruby, Q switched alexandrite, and Q switched NdYAG. These are all the three different laser treatments are available and three different laser wavelengths. How these three are get very differentiated depends on their wavelengths. Q switched ruby have a 694 nanometer wavelength, and Q switched alexandrite have a 755 nanometer wavelength. When it comes to the Q switched NdYAG, it has a 1024 nanometer wavelength. This wavelength is for different colors of the tattoo to be get removed. Mainly blue, black, green, which will be helpful to remove Q switched ruby or Q switched alexandrite. This both are good to remove the black, blue and the green colors of tattoos. When it comes to red or multicolors, which is based on the red devices like orange or yellow, then Q switched NdYAG laser treatment is required. As we all seen, colors plays the very key important role when it comes to the removal of the process. That I will explain you. Now, next thing is how much it cost. Cost is completely depends on the how profession the service you are choosing and which machines they are using. Depends on the laser machines which they are going to use, it varies. So that you need to choose very wisely. And another important thing is it painful? Yes, obviously laser treatment pains. Comparing to tattooing, laser treatment will be little more painful than that. But comparing our old methods, that is called the Cairo surgery or else Cybison, comparing all those things, this is much more better and less risky. Okay, now what and all the disadvantages may happen. So when you do the removal of the tattoo, there is the chance of skin texture changes as well as scarring and hyperpigmentation may happen. So that we need to take care of it very well. This is almost for example 100% of the people, there is a chance of 40% of the people may get these kind of disadvantages when they go for the unprofessional lasering treatment. Okay, so professionalism and then the machines which they are using plays a very key role in this. And removal, getting removed completely or not. So when it comes to the removal, location of the tattoo and the age of the person and how old the tattoo, this all plays the very important role. As we discussed earlier, the laser is going to break down the pigments into the small pigments. So we should remember that small pigments it's going to get digested by our immune system. So here age plays a key important role to get digest that breakdown lasers, pigments. And location of the body part also plays an important role, where you get a tattoo done in the place where it's a little interior, and if it's more pigmented place, then it's very difficult to remove it. And the colors also plays a key important role in this when it comes to the removal. Like a yellow colors or more soft and deep into the colors are very hard to remove. So while removing color tattoos like a it will be start to gives the more problem in removing the tattoo. And profession of the artist, if they done a tattoo only up to the second layer of the skin by the very professional soft handed person, then it's pretty much easy to remove the tattoo. But if they went for the more depth and the more pigmented inside, then it's very difficult to remove the tattoo. So that is also one of the key important things. So while getting a tattoo done, you need to choose your artist in the best way and who have a best professional and soft handed. And now comes to nanometer wavelength part. As we discussed, 3 nanometer wavelengths. Now people are researching and developing a new laser that is called picoseconds laser. Maybe in future, if that picoseconds laser may comes out, that will change the whole game, and that will be much more better than our Q switched lasers when come to clear the colors. So as we get to know colors depends on the lasers, it will be keep changes, and the quality of the lasers also we need to check out in all the property, and artist also needs to be good. So if you are the person don't want to get rid of the tattoo, but you don't like the design, for example you got your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend name done and you want that to be removed, or you don't like the design, you want that much more good designs will be good, then I'll highly recommend you to go for the cover up tattoo. Yes, that is the best solution for making a better tattoo. And if you don't want to tattoo and you want it to be completely removed, you don't want it in your skin for some purpose, then laser treatment is good, but you need to keep in mind those advantages, disadvantages as we explain now. And I will explain about this cover up tattoo in tomorrow's episode. You keep stay tuned and don't die nude.